Have you ever wondered what the exact degree of your sun, moon, or any other planet really means? What if I told you that each degree holds its own mysterious symbol, offering profound insights into your life's purpose and challenges? In today's video, we're diving into the Sabian Symbols, a fascinating and often overlooked part of astrology that can unlock a whole new level of understanding in your birth chart. So, what exactly are the Sabian Symbols? The Sabian Symbols are a set of 360 symbols, one for each degree of the zodiac, created by clairvoyant Mark Edmund Jones and astrologer Elsie Wheeler in 1925. Each symbol is a picture, a metaphor, or a vision that corresponds to a specific degree of the zodiac, meaning every degree in your chart has its own unique message. These symbols are meant to offer a deeper, more symbolic interpretation of your astrological placements. They're not about literal meanings, but more about unlocking hidden potential, spiritual growth, and life lessons. Now, how do these symbols influence your chart? When you look at your birth chart, you can find the Sabian symbol for each planet or point by looking at the exact degree it's placed in. For example, if your sun is at 15 Leo, you'd look up the Sabian symbol for that degree and discover its meaning. This symbol adds layers of insight to your basic sun sign, offering a more detailed understanding of your core essence, life mission, and challenges. It's like adding a hidden treasure map to your chart, an extra layer of wisdom that can help you align with your true path. You might be wondering, how do I actually interpret these symbols? The interpretation of the Sabian Symbols is often intuitive and symbolic. It's about feeling the energy of the symbol and what it evokes for you personally. Some symbols may speak directly to you, while others might take time to fully understand. Here's an example. If your moon is at 10 Taurus, the Sabian symbol for that degree is a Red Cross nurse. This symbol might represent someone who is emotionally nurturing, caring, and has a deep compassion for others. This symbol could also signify the need to offer healing and support in your life path. You may be wondering, okay, but how can I apply these symbols in my daily life? Here's the magic. The Sabian Symbols help you understand the underlying forces that are at play in your life. By exploring the degree positions of your planets and aspects, you can start to notice themes that reoccur in your life, guiding you toward the best choices and opportunities. For instance, if your North Node is at 29 Aries, the symbol is a secret business conference. This symbol could suggest that your life path involves stepping into leadership roles and making important decisions behind the scenes, or perhaps negotiating your way through life-changing opportunities. So how do you find the Sabian symbol for your chart? You just need to know the exact degree of your planets or points. You can calculate this using your birth chart and then search for the corresponding symbol. There are many online resources and books that list the Sabian symbols for each degree. And once you find your symbols, you'll be amazed at how much deeper your astrological knowledge becomes. The Sabian Symbols offer a treasure trove of hidden knowledge within your birth chart. They give you a deeper understanding of your life's purpose, your hidden potential, and the spiritual lessons you're meant to learn. I encourage you to look up the Sabian Symbols for your sun, moon, and rising sign and see what they reveal about your journey. Comment below with your symbols and let me know what insights you discovered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cosmic insights. Until next time, may your path be filled with wisdom and light.